Here's this week's Mouse Blocker Minute.
All right, guys, check this out. Another Mouse Blocker Minute. My man Todd here, he lives out in Colorado, kind of like I do. Matter of fact, he's even donated Chevy Blazer back to our Cars for Christmas program. Dude, you're well aware of the damage that mice can cause, man. It's kind of brutal, to be honest.
Yeah, they're little turds, man. It was a thermostat wire, so my thermostat gauge quit working. And then it was an oil sending unit. Oil gauge quit working. But like, I got a neighbor, she was $5,600 on her truck. Had another neighbor, $1,200, another $800.
We sent you some products like a month or so ago. How has that worked? How have you seen a big impact and difference?
Oh yeah, there's nothing anywhere near, and I think that's even good because I got a little Honda that I drive in the wintertime, and I think it's even loud enough that they're staying away from it.
Thanks for spreading that mouse blocker word, man. It's a great product and it has great results.
Thanks to you guys at Two Guys Garage. Thank you to Mouse Blocker, and again, thank you for choosing a humble guy like me. I'm very blessed.